Artificial intelligence. Is it a threat or a tool for those in the creative industry? Welcome to ECCB Connects. According to IBM, artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. With this in mind, one may ask, is AI helpful or hurtful? And for those working in the creative sector, can AI enhance productivity, or is it a direct challenger to human creative endeavors? Speaking at the 8th Growth and Resilience Dialogue, jointly hosted by the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank and its partners in April 2024, software engineer and tech expert Psyche Southwell shares her perspectives on this debate. Is AI a competitor or a collaborator?
Hello everyone, it's Admita. I'm Psyche's AI collaborator for today's demo. She thought it would be fit for me to kick things off as a testament to her thesis today, which is that viewing artificial intelligence as a collaborator, rather than a competitor, benefits creatives. AI tools like myself can streamline production, amplify artistic impact, and foster new realms of creativity in the Caribbean. Psyche will share 3 easy and free or affordable ways that creatives can use AI to amplify their creative impact.
So I think one of the best ways that creatives can amplify their creative impact is if we begin to see, and today begin to see, automations, AI as a collaborator instead of a competitor. Because let me tell you something, when you find the synergy between human creativity and computational power, you're going to unleash innovation. Unleash innovation and amplify your impact. And if for a region we want to boost innovation, boost our reach, we have to find some kind of a symbiosis between both of those things. Can I get an amen? Anybody agree with that? All right. I'm just going to share 3 tools. And I can tell you right now, creatives, I saw our minister for the creative economy here earlier. They face budgets, they face constraints, but I want you to get up and running as immediately and as fast as possible. 2 of the 3 tools I'm going to share for you today are free 99. They are free. F-R-E-E, free to use right now today. The third one, like Telly mentioned earlier, we like quality sometimes over quantity. And it's not free, but it will only run you about $29 US a month, and you can opt in for it as much as you want, but it is the best tool, and it's the one I used to create my avatar today, who helped kick things off for us, right? I created her using a tool called Synthesia. And at the end of our session, I'm actually gonna do a quick demo and show you a video that I created to close today's session out. When I think about creatives and the creative sector in the Caribbean, one thing I have observed, we love a social media, eh? They really love a social media. And trust me, I belong to these social media streets. I quite literally built an entire business on social media that tripled the income I made as a professor, trained to praise as a professor early in my career by simply posting images on the internet using social media. So it's valuable. It's valuable because it puts us where our customers are. And that's where we want to be at all times. But get this, there is a limitation to social media. And I know my brother Chavez, if he was still here, he would tell you as someone who was affiliated with Meta, you don't have 2 things, ownership nor control. So every creative, every member of our creative sector needs to have their own space, their own real estate on the interweb, right? We need to have our own space. So if you only have a social media page today, I want you to start a website. And because of tools using AI, it is quite easy to stand up a website. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to create one live right here with you today. This is one of my favorite tools. It's called 10web.io. See, Telly nodding, she doesn't know what that is. 10web.io. Go to that site. You will be required to set up an account. It is quick. We are going to do it live, okay? 10web.io. I'm mentioning ChatGPT here because this is one of those other tools that the free tier you should be using right now as a creative. It is not in competition with you. It is here as a second brain, an assistant, something to help you gain clarity, something to bounce ideas off of. And guess what? You have it 24/7 available to you. Use it. So I'm going to just ask ChatGPT for some ideas because really I don't know anything about coffee shops. So I said, hey, suggest some ideas for my coffee business. It's going to be in Nevis and it's going to specialize in cold brews and creating a space to foster community. Okay, I don't necessarily like all of these. You can go back and prompt, but I said, I see a term here, Nevis nectar. And I don't know, that sounds sweet to me. So I'm going to use that one. So let's go back to our website builder. We're going to put this in. This next question is an important one for someone because you want to have your own domain. This AI tool can actually do this and map it to your own domain for free to get you started. You just have to pay for your domain. For demonstration purposes today, we're going to skip the domain, right? So I'm just going to say no, but of course you're going to want to have your own domain, okay? Let's see. Meticulously crafted cold brews. I said my coffee shop is going to focus on cold brews. I said I wanted spaces that fostered community. So here we are, inviting spaces for connection. An exceptional coffee experience. I like to be exceptional, so let's go ahead and keep that one. We're going to keep on going and click finalize. Okay, the oohs and the ahs and the wows. And this is just the start. You get to grab your own images because you probably want to use some images by our wonderful photographers that capture people local to your area, some of your visitors, whatever the case. But the thing is, you have a template, you have an outline, something that AI has combed the data that what works well, information that web developers normally have at their disposal about color schemes, about placing, all these rules in CSS that they learn. This bot holds these tools and can generate your site. So, who liked my avatar who opened up for me today called Admeter? The application that I use for that is called synthesia.io. And this is exactly the template that, this is exactly the tool rather that I use. Let's go ahead and use Evelyn for today. They also automate some of the gestures, but if I wanted her to lift her head or put her head down or move her hand or blink at a certain point in time, I can actually get that granular with my specifications. But in the essence of time, right? I know we all wanted to go and eat. We're going to just click generate.
Hey, I'm Cheryl. I'm Psyche's second AI collaborator for this session, and I'm here to bring this demo to a close. I trust that you now recognize that viewing AI as a collaborator rather than a competitor can be powerful. Thanks for your attention, and we look forward to you engaging all the AI demo presenters shortly.
And did I keep my promise, people? I told you we we're going to do this rapid fire style, and I wanted to prove to you that computational power can save you time. You saw we actually created a website, created an avatar, found a company name, a description, all within like, what, 20 minutes? Time is your resource. You have to protect it. And when you protect it with you by using computational power and infusing that into your process, guess what? You have more time to focus on being creative. That's what we want creatives to do, to unleash their creative impact by relying on AI. Not being replaced by AI, allowing AI to be a collaborator. Thank you so much.
And now for this week's financial tip.
Financial security and good money management are important in these uncertain times. To achieve financial security and manage your finances prudently, budgeting is paramount. A personal monthly budget allows you to know what, when, and how much you are spending. Keeping proper records allows you to track, monitor your budget to enable you to make sound financial decisions daily.
We're at the end of this episode of ECCB Connects. Psyche Southwell, tech expert, encouraged creatives to leverage the power of AI to enhance creativity, increase productivity, and boost innovation. Thanks so much for watching, and to see you next week when we bring you another episode of ECCB Connects to share with you who we are, what we do, and how we serve you.